In this video, we are going to analyze Mullen, ticker MULN. So to get straight into it, firstly, always be paying attention to the fundamentals, because especially on stocks like this, they can move very harsh off the fundamental news. So technicals can be good to be finding your entries, be finding your targets, but really be paying attention to the overall fundamentals of the company, because those are always going to be the key driver. But now into the levels and what we are paying attention to, we can see we're currently sitting at around 40 cents. Now, on the longer term levels, which is what we prefer to use because they are stronger levels, we can see we don't actually have any resistances until $1.03 and $1.60. So very far off from where we are now. So do keep those levels in mind, and obviously you can pay attention to the 175 because it's so close as well. But these would be the levels we are paying attention to if for any reason we get a big momentum push in Mullen to the upside. But if we want to be paying attention to more closer levels to what we are now, which is going to be more reasonable levels, we will use a 20 and 30 day chart to get these closer levels. And then what we can actually see is, at least on the short term, Mullen does look like it's having some strong upward pressure, and it does show that the level is holding, and that investors or traders, really the main people buying this, have accepted this level. Because what we always look for is a move to the upside and you come back to retest the statistical level, and if it can hold, you expect a further move up, and that's what we've seen. We come back to test the first deviation on both the 20 and 30 day chart, and so now we've broken back to its second deviation on the 20 day chart. We've broken through that, and so now we really have a target of that third deviation on the 20 day and the second deviation on the 30 day chart. So if we continue up, that's our first target. If we break that, we're looking at 47, 52 and 62 cents as upside targets. Now, if you expect the stock to fall, what are going to be key supports? 37 cents, 32 cents, and if we continue down even further, we're paying attention to 26 and 22 cents. Now, 22 is going to be that key level, because very close to where we were kind of pre-momentum, most recent momentum, should we say. Also our first deviation on the 20 day chart, statistical mean on the 30 day chart, and really doesn't seem like it's really gapped, but it's going to be pre-momentum move. So this is really going to be a key level to be focusing on, and if you were holding the stock short, we wouldn't look to hold any lower than 22 cents. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.